Welcome to Ranjita virtual class. In my first video, we have talked about various food nutrients, and in my second video, we have talked about the process of digestion. I hope you have understood about these nutrients of food and the process of digestion. Now in this section, we will talk about the food preservation. Food preservation, class IB. What is food preservation? The process of treating food in a way that preserves its value for a long time is called preservation. Why food preserve? Food is valuable. If not preserved, it may begin to spoil. Cooked and uncooked food can be preserved in different ways. Cooked and uncooked food gets spoiled when it is exposed to air, water and warmth for a long time. So, there are different ways of preserving food. Preservation of food. Refrigerating, drying, canning, pickling, gelling, boiling, baking, adding preservatives. First, I have to talk about refrigerating. The most commonly used method even in households using refrigerator. The refrigerator maintains a low temperature such that it slows down the growth of bacteria and keeps food fresh and longer. So keeping vegetables, fruits as well as cooked food in the fridge prevents them from getting spoiled for few days. Next I am coming to drying. In this method, water is completely removed from the food item by drying the items in sun. Many foods such as papad, dry fish, dates, raisins are dried or dehydrated and freezed. By dehydrating, the moisture inside these substances is removed and microorganisms are unable to thrive on them. Next I am coming to the canning. Food is kept in airtight containers so that it does not come in contact with air. Items like gulab jamun, rasgullas, bean, fish, those type of things. Pickling. Using salt and oil prevent the food from getting spoiled. Mostly used to make pickles that last for long time. In this way we can keep food items for many months. Next I am telling about gelling. Using sugar to prevent the food from getting spoiled it. Mostly used to make fruits in sugar syrup like jams. Then I am coming to the boiling. Boiling milk prevents it from getting spoiled easily. So we are boiling the milk that it will not spoil. Then I am coming to baking. Baking of dough into biscuits can be used for a long time because we are baking biscuits mostly we are using to eat for at least we can use mostly 1-2 months, more than 1 month we can use it. So baking is this, in this process we can bake the dough into biscuits, can be used for long time. Adding preservatives. So preservatives are used in most commercial products to enhance their shelf life. So vinegar is a natural preservative. Thank you.